Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with the new video, and this video is really important for you people as there is a great change in the economic syllabus. Okay, so today we will discuss about that what is the change in the syllabus pattern, change in the exam, marking scheme and everything. So now in your final paper, the question paper will be of 80 marks, and in your final paper you will be having 3 subjects now. Like you will be having Indian economy, stats as well as macroeconomics. I am talking about the plus 2 board examination. Okay, so as you can see there, the marks are divided as per the topics, and there is a unit wise weightage to the content. In the macroeconomics you'll be having 5 units. Unit 1 will have your national income, and unit 2 money and banking, unit 3 determination of income and employment, unit 4 government budget and the economy, and unit 5 balance of payment. So your this section is of macroeconomics, and then comes section B. Section B includes Indian economic development, and it includes the unit 6, that is of experience and economic reforms since 1991, means the first phase of the Indian economy, that is from 1947 to 1990. This we have already discussed, like I have already made the videos on these topics, so you can check in the playlist in my YouTube channel. The channel name is LX Institute of Commerce, and here you can check the playlist. Here you will get the videos on these topics, Indian economic development. Next is unit 7, in that current challenges facing Indian economy. So this is very important, that there is a great change, that now there will be Indian economy, macroeconomics and stats also. In the section C there will be stats, and in that you'll be having only 2 chapters. You can say there is unit 8, in that there will be correlation, and unit 9 that will be having index number. See, the paper is of 80 marks. Okay, now you can see how the marks are being divided. Macroeconomics, this will be of 40 marks. Indian economic development, this will be of 24 marks. And statistics in economics, this will be of 16 marks. So 40 plus 24 plus 16, this will be your 80 marks theoretical paper, plus 20 marks project work, and total marks will be 100. As you can see, this is the syllabus as per the session 2020-21. I will provide you the link of the PDF in the description box below, so you can check out that this is a official information. Okay, so if you want to go through the detailed syllabus, then that is also provided there, that what will be included in the national income and related aggregates, money and banking, determination of income and employment. The further topics are also being mentioned. You can check it out. Even you can take the screenshot of this video. Instead, you can go in the description box, check out the PDF link, download the PDF. On the page number 43, 44 and 45, you will be having the explanation of your syllabus of plus 2. Okay, so the detailed explanation is mentioned there, like sustainable development and all these things. Niti Aayog, as we have already discussed in the previous video, you can check there. And please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. And for such more informational videos, you just stick to this channel. And thank you so much. But keep in mind that this is the change in the syllabus of economics, no doubt, in the commerce stream for Punjab School Education Board for the session 2020 and 21. Okay, this is the change from this session. So thank you so much. Please share with your friends so that they can also get the important information. Thank you.